Right, I need to send cryptocurrency to my Hyperfund wallet. Now I need to send the cryptocurrency in USDT. USDT is a very popular crypto coin. In fact, it's ranked 5th in popularity. However, in my Binance wallet, I only have Bitcoin. Now, in order to send USDT, I need to convert my Bitcoin to USDT. This is because you can only send like for like when sending cryptocurrency to another wallet. You cannot, for example, send Bitcoin to a Litecoin wallet. You can only send Bitcoin to a Bitcoin wallet. So because I need to send cryptocurrency in USDT, I'm going to have to convert my Bitcoin into USDT. And this is how you do that. So first, I select Bitcoin and I select convert. So I'm converting Bitcoin to USDT. I'm going to hit the maximum. I'm going to preview the conversion, see what I get, and convert. And that's it. Done. So now I should be holding in my fiat and spot USDT. And if you look down here, we can see that my total is now 135,779. Previously I had no USDT. Now I have. It actually shows a conversion here of my balance. The balance it shows in Bitcoin, but actually I don't have any Bitcoin because it's all been converted into USDT. So the process is fairly simple. And as I said, this is what I should be sending the balance to Hyperfund, although I need to add some more funds to it before I can do that.